Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about power of I from the chapter 4 Complex Numbers and Quadratic Equations, class 11 Maths. See, we know that I square is equal to minus 1. Okay, then what about I cube? I cube can be written as I square into I, no? Because x raised to m into x raised to n can be written as x raised to m plus n. Okay, so I raised to 3 can be written as I square into I. I means I raised to 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, so I square is minus 1. So minus 1 into I, which is equal to minus I. Okay, similarly, what about I raised to 4? I raised to 4 can be written as I square into I square. I square is minus 1 into I square minus 1. Minus into minus plus. So plus 1. Okay, now what about I raised to 5? I raised to 5 can be written as I raised to 4 into I. Okay, I raised to 4 is 1. 1 into I is I. Alright, similarly what about I raised to 6? See, I raised to 6 can be written like this now. I square all raised to 3. We know the value of I square, which is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 whole cube, minus 1 whole cube, odd power, no? So the result will be minus 1. That is minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Okay, that will be equal to minus 1. Okay. Now, what about I raised to minus 1? I raised to minus 1 can be written as 1 by I raised to 1. That is 1 by I. Okay, now what I am doing is I am just multiplying both the numerator and denominator with I. So 1 into I divided by I into I square. Okay, that is I divided by I square is minus 1. So this is actually equal to I by minus 1 is actually what? Minus I. This is like plus I, no? Plus divided by minus, minus I divided by 1 I. Okay, so I raised to minus 1 is minus I. Now, if you find out I raised to minus 2, what will be its value? I raised to minus 2 can be written as 1 by I square. Okay, that is 1 by I square is minus 1. 1 divided by minus 1 is minus 1. Okay, what about I raised to minus 3? I raised to minus 3 is actually equal to 1 by I raised to 3. Okay, this is equal to 1 by I square into I. This is equal to 1 by I square is minus 1. So minus 1 into I, which is equal to minus I. Okay, so I'm just multiplying both the numerator and denominator with I. So this becomes I divided by minus into I square. I square is minus 1. So that minus into minus becomes plus 1. So I by 1 is actually equal to I. Okay. Similarly, if you find out I raised to minus 4, this can be written as 1 by I raised to 4, which is equal to 1 by I square into I square. Okay, that is 1 by I square is minus 1. Again, I square is minus 1. Minus into minus plus. So this is equal to 1. In general, for any integer k, I raised to 4k will be equal to 1. Okay, I raised to 4k plus 1, that will be equal to I raised to 4k plus 2, that will be equal to minus 1, and I raised to 4k plus 3, that will be equal to minus I. Okay, in general, for any integer k, I raised to 4k will be equal to 1. I raised to 4k plus 1 will be equal to I raised to 4k plus 2 will be equal to minus 1. I raised to 4k plus 3 is equal to minus I. Okay, this is important. For example, let us find out the value of I raised to 8. See, I raised to 8 can be written as I raised to 4 into 2. Okay, so this is like I raised to 4k. K is actually what? 4k. K is actually 2, which is an integer. So I raised to 4k will be equal to 1. Okay, let us check that. I raised to 8, that can be written as I square all raised to 4. Right. So that is x raised to m all raised to n is x raised to m into n. So I raised to 8 can be written as I raised to I square all raised to 4. So this is equal to I square is minus 1 all raised to 4. This is an even number now. So minus 1 all raised to 4 will be what? Plus 1. Okay, we are getting the same answer. Similarly, let us just take another example. I raised to 9. See, this I raised to 9 can be written as I raised to 8 plus 1. Right. Now, this will be equal to what? I raised to 8 can be written as 4 into 2. Okay, then plus 1. Okay, that is, this is like I raised to 4k plus 1, no? I raised to 4k plus 1. Okay, that is 4 into 2, 4k plus 1. Okay, k is an integer, so here it is 2. This can be 3, 4, 5, any integer. Here it is 2. I raised to 4k plus 1 is equal to what? I. So this is actually equal to I. That is I raised to 9 is equal to I. Let us just take that. I raised to 9. This can be written as what? I square. Okay, I square into I square all raised to 4 into I. Okay, I square all raised to 4 is I raised to 8 into I. I raised to 8 into I. That is I raised to 8 into I means I raised to 1. That is I raised to 8 plus 1, which is equal to I raised to 9. Okay, I square all raised to 4 is what? I square is minus 1. Minus 1 all raised to 4 is plus 1 into I, which is equal to I itself. So for any integer k, see this k can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any integer. I raised to 4k will be equal to 1. I raised to 4k plus 1 will be equal to I. I raised to 4k plus 2 will be equal to minus 1. I raised to 4k plus 3 will be equal to minus I. Okay, so in this video, we have actually discussed about the power of I. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.